Okay, so we're going to take a look now at turning in a Google Sheet, sorry, a Google Slides assignment. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and open up Google Slides. And this is my presentation on owls. This is my owls presentation. Actually, it's cats presentation. Okay, all about cats by Richard Steves. Okay, and I'm going to explore cats with this presentation. I've got a new slide here. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and add a photo of something that I made at home. Actually, let's go ahead and take a look at just dragging over an image from Google image search. So here we have cats. Okay, and let's say that we have, you notice that labeled for commercial non-commercial reuse is on. Okay, and we have this cat here, and we're going to go ahead and drag it over onto Google Slides. Okay, and we're back. And notice that now I have this nice cat image here. And there is my text maybe. Okay, so there's cats in the wild, because that cat looks a bit wild. Okay, so there we have our presentation, our sample presentation. Let's just call it a sample presentation. Okay, and let's go ahead and try to turn it in on Google Slides. Okay, so we have our Slides page here. We're going to go to Pages. We're going to add a new page, and we're going to call it Unit 1, Lesson 7, just as our sample. And done. And we're going to drop it onto our class to make it a subpage. And then we're going to go ahead and go to Insert, and then Drive. And then basically we're already on Recent, so we're going to click Cat's Presentation and Insert. Okay, and there is our presentation, and notice that it's already we see like the first page of it. Then if we go to Publish, we can click Publish. Notice it gives us our old version and new version. We click Publish again. And then we can go look at the actual, we can just click the down arrow next to Publish and click View Published Site. Okay, and there's our presentation. Now notice that when we come in, we can go ahead and we can advance through the slides. Okay, and we create a slideshow embedded right on our Google sites. Okay, so best of luck. Give it a shot, embedding a Google Slides presentation on your Google site.